Welcome to Vietnam, a land of beauty, culture, and humor. Did you know? Here are some funny trivia. 1. Why did the chicken cross the road in Vietnam? To avoid the traffic jam. 2. What do you call a Vietnamese superhero? Faux liceman. 3. Why don't Vietnamese people play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding in a rice field. 4. What's a Vietnamese cat's favorite drink? Meowtini. Vietnam is known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and delicious cuisine. From the mountains to the beaches, there's something for everyone. Explore ancient temples, experience local traditions, and enjoy the warm hospitality of the people. Why choose Vietnam? Incredible food, friendly locals, and a unique culture. Adventure awaits in every corner, from hiking to relaxing on the beach. Ready to explore Vietnam? Join us on this exciting journey. Visit our channel for more fun facts and travel tips. Let's discover together. Welcome to the land of Vietnam, where the traffic is a sport and the motorbikes are the athletes. Question 1. What do you call a Vietnamese person who can't stop telling jokes? Ha ha noi. Question 2. Why did the Vietnamese chicken cross the road? To prove to the other chickens it could be done without a motorbike. Question 3. What's a Vietnamese superhero's favorite drink? Ban Mi energy drinks, because they give you a roll of power. Question 4. Why don't Vietnamese ghosts like to play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you're always booing. And remember, if you ever get lost in Vietnam, just follow the smell of delicious food or the sound of honking. So what did we learn today? Vietnam is not just about the food, it's also about the laughs. Thanks for joining our trivia. Now go out there and make some pun-dearful memories in Vietnam.
Do try the street food, but don't eat from a stall that looks like it might be a crime scene. Do learn a few Vietnamese phrases, but don't try to impress locals with your pronunciation unless you want to sound like a confused robot. Do bargain at markets, but don't negotiate like you're buying a used car in a horror movie. Do respect local customs, but don't accidentally join a wedding thinking it's a buffet. Do take a lot of photos, but don't block the local selfies with your giant hat. Do explore the countryside, but don't try to ride a water buffalo like it's a motorcycle. Do enjoy the coffee, but don't drink it like it's a shot of espresso unless you want to bounce off the walls. Do embrace the chaos of traffic, but don't try to cross the street like you're in a game of Frogger.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.